friends, on this video how you can backup your photos or videos. You can say backup and migrate or backup and restore on your OnePlus Tab. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, and from this side you have to click on additional setting. Then on this side, on the right side, you have to scroll on the down this additional setting, and the last point you can see here backup and reset option. So just tap on backup and reset. After that, here the first option you can choose the backup and migrate. So just tap on backup and migrate, and here it says local backup data to or restore data from a local storage. Just click on this icon, and if you want to backup your photos, videos, records, or any of them, okay, documents, then just click on new backup and it will be backup successfully. This is how you can backup. Okay, I just click on the back button, and friends, if you want this how you can backup on your drive, you can backup on drive or to another device also. You can share the files also, or through laptop or computer. Okay, if you want to backup. Okay, and here you can see automatically restore backup settings and data when you reinstall apps. Okay, here if you want to activate, then you can activate this icon, but before you activate this icon, you can see here is the Google account. Okay, you can check here your Google account, and you have to turn on your automatically backup. Okay, so friends, I hope you understand how you can backup your photos, videos, or how you can restore. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.